Welcome to Login to Learn podcasts, North Lanarkshire Library's Learning Takeaway. This series of podcasts will help you to revise for Module 1 of your ECDL course, the European Computer Driving Licence. And don't forget, if at any time you want to know more, you can always visit our website at www.logintolearn.com. This podcast will provide you with information on computer operating systems. The operating system, or OS, is a special computer program that is essential to the efficient running of all the other programs within the computer. The operating system carries out tasks, key press instructions, and controls which operations within the computer are carried out and in which order. Some common operating systems are Windows, Mac, and Linux. The operating system cannot run without the BIOS, which stands for Basic Input-Output System. This is basic software that determines what the computer can do without accessing programs from a disk, and it is usually placed in a ROM memory chip that comes with the computer. This means that it is always available and will not be damaged if the hard disk should fail. The BIOS makes sure all other chips, hard drives, ports and the CPU work together, and it loads the operating system. When a computer is switched on, the BIOS carries out a power-on self-test, or POST for short, and boot up entirely on its own, because the necessary software is in ROM memory. This process ensures that all the hardware components are running and that the CPU and memory are functioning correctly. A series of beeps denotes any detected errors. The second function of the boot-up operation is to search drives for an operating system and then launch it by reading the operating system files and copying them to the RAM. The operating system is not part of the PC and needs to be located at each boot-up. This makes upgrading or fixing errors in the OS much simpler and allows a choice of operating systems where available. A graphical user interface, usually shortened to GUI or GUI, is a way of showing the computer's facilities using icons as simple, often descriptive pictures, and menus, lists of names or functions. Instead of typing a technical instruction, the mouse is used to click on an icon or menu to select or perform an action. The latest version of an operating system will be updated regularly. For example, Windows XP was replaced by Windows Vista. New versions often have improved security and have ironed out bugs that may have been present in older versions. They will often have attractive new features too. You may find, though, that you need to upgrade your computer to run the new operating system properly. Newer versions usually require more hard drive space, more memory, and enhanced graphics ability. Between versions of the operating system, the manufacturer regularly releases updates and service packs, which are collections of updates, fixes and enhancements for your operating system. These updates often contain new drivers for many components of your computer system. The updates could be supplied on a CD from the manufacturer or downloaded from the internet. Thank you for listening to our podcast on operating systems. For other podcasts to help you complete the European Computer Driving Licence, And more information on our services, go to our website at www.logintolearn.com or call our free phone help number at 0800 953 1010.